Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix block by auto blocker. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to enable any feature, you must see the error which is blocked by auto blocker. Like if you're using USB debugging, so sometimes you might see that USB debugging it's blocked by auto blocker. So let's see how can you fix that issue. You just have to open your settings app. In your settings, just scroll down and you might see security and privacy option. Simply click on it. Now here, just scroll down, you might see auto blocker here. You just have to disable it from there. Then click on turn off and click on OK. Now once you have turned off, now you can easily use any feature which was blocked by auto blocker. So in this way, you can easily turn off your auto blocker and Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.